Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Regista Ardila. Today I will explain about organizing idea by space and time order and organizing idea by rank order. Have a good time watching. Organizing idea by time. When you organize the picture, you have to think about the time order in which event happened. Similarly, when you write a paragraph, you will often find it necessary to order events according to the time they happened. Times words tell us when something happened in relation to when something else happened. Here are some common time words: before, previously, second, next, when, while, during, as, soon, until, often, finally, and etc. And let's take a look at what this means, what is space order, and how can you achieve space order in your writing. So, another useful method to arrange your idea is called space order. Spatial order is the position of things in space. Some transitional words and transitional phrase that help to guide the reader when reading a space order writing include at the left, at the right, next to, on the side, on the top, on the bottom, at the rear, at the left, and etc. Let's read the paragraph. There are several ways that can be done so that we can maintain the health of our bodies. First, in the morning, do regular exercise to train our bodies to keep moving. Exercise is good for the body because it can help burn fat in the body, maintain the health of internal organs such as the heart, and maintain muscle, joint, and bone strength. I usually do some light exercise near my house because my yard is quite large. Second, regulating your diet is one of the main factors that most influence the health of your body. Careless food intake and irregular eating schedules can cause diseases ranging from obesity to cancer. When I was in school, I used to buy fast food like KFC, boba, which was next to my school, and it was unhealthy food to eat. Now I am cutting back on this ready-to-eat food and eating lots of vegetable and fruit. Next, maintaining health can be done by adjusting our sleep patterns. If we lack sleep, the risk of diseases such as heart and liver will be greater. Set the sleep pattern starting from the initial hours of sleep duration to the bed and pillow use. I am more comfortable sleeping in my room. A good sleep during from 6 for 8 hours starting at 9 or 10 p.m. With enough sleep can finally make the body fresh in the morning. Therefore, we must maintain the health of our bodies by doing useful things so that the body is maintained in health. This paragraph is using the organizing idea by time and space. We can know this by looking signal word of it. Signal words of time order such as first, second, when, next, during, and finally do show the logical time order in this paragraph. There are some signal words will help you to show time or your relationship, such as in the morning, near my house, next to my school, and in my room. The topic sentence in this paragraph is there are several ways that can be done so that we can maintain the health of our bodies. Besides that, we also have to know about controlling idea of this paragraph, and the controlling idea is how to maintain a healthy body. Because in this paragraph describe about there are several ways you can do to maintain a healthy body and the importance of health for the body. Supporting sentences can be more than one, it depends on the writer. And supporting sentences in the first paragraph is: first, in the morning, do regular exercise to train our bodies to keep moving. We can see in this section that the first is so to maintain a healthy body. And the supporting detail is exercise is good for the body because it can help burn fat in the body, maintain the health of internal organs such as the heart, and maintain muscle, joint, and bone strength. I usually do some light exercise near my house because my yard is quite large. The supporting detail to describe more about their sentence. supporting sentence 2 is second, regulating to your diet is one of the main factors that most influence the health of your body. And supporting detail is careless food intake and irregular eating schedules can cause disease ranging from obesity to cancer. In this section, it explains what other methods can be done to maintain a healthy body, namely by regulating your diet. And the supporting sentences 3 is next, maintaining health can be done by adjusting our sleep patterns. And the supporting detail is if we lack sleep, the risk of diseases such as heart and liver will be greater. This section, the authors explain in more detail about how to maintain a healthy body, namely by regulating sleep patterns. Regular sleep patterns will make the body feel fresher. And last, concluding sentences. Concluding sentences in this paragraph is, therefore, we must maintain the health of our bodies by doing useful things so that the body is maintained in health. It's told above all this the sentence is about, and relates the topic sentence describing about if we must maintain a healthy body so that the body remains healthy and strong. Organizing idea by rank order, signal words, and rewriting. Using rank order. One very common way to organize your idea is to arrange them in order of their importance. You might begin with the most important idea, or you might begin with the less important idea and save the most important one for last. Order refers to your choice of what a person first, second, third, and so on in your writing. The order you pick closely relates to your purpose for writing that particular assignment. Although key signal words help in identifying the particular type of pattern, a single paragraph can be a mixture of different patterns. Your aim is to anticipate the overall pattern and then place the fact into a broad perspective. Which is included in the signal word is first, second, third, finally, most importantly, for one thing, first of all, for another thing, and etc. Rewriting. Rewriting makes the difference between good writing and poor writing. Even the best writers are unable to express themselves perfectly on paper or by word processor in the first draft. Newly created sentences usually need help. They might be unclear, far too long, or ostentatious. The writer's talk might have been incompletely expressed. Alternatively, the writer might be leaning too heavily on cliches. This paragraph is about organizing idea by rank order. Rank order in this paragraph is 1. Lots of nutrients contained, 2. Maintain ideal body weight, 3. Dietary fiber which is very good for the body, and 4. Nutritious diet. From rank order that we have found, we can see that these sentences describes the benefit of fruits and vegetables for the body. It's obviously different from the previous because it is the matter of arranging them in order of their importance. The signal words such as first, second, another reason, and most importantly. Signal order explaining the order in a paragraph that there is an important point in it, namely by looking at the signal word, so we don't need to read the entire text. The topic sentence in this paragraph is, there are many reasons why fruits and vegetables are so important to the body. And the controlling idea is many reasons and important to the body, because it explains in more detail the reason and why fruit and vegetable are very important for the body. Supporting sentence can be more than one, it depends on the writer. And the supporting sentences in this paragraph is, First, lots of nutrients contained in fruits and vegetables that our bodies need. The food we consume should ideally not only have a good taste, but can also meet the nutritional needs of our bodies. And the supporting detail is one of the nutrients we need are vitamins and minerals. If you eat fruit and vegetables regularly, you can ensure that your body will be healthy and strong. To explain about fruit and vegetable contain nutrients that are very good for the body. The supporting sentences too is: second, if you consume fruit and vegetable every other day to maintain ideal body weight, fruit includes a low intake of fat and calories. Supporting detail is provided they are not consumed in the form of chips, bread, or juice. Another reason is fruit and vegetables are a source of dietary fiber, which is very good for the body. To explaining the continuation, the fruit that contains a lot of nutrients can maintain body weight if processed properly. And then, supporting synthesis 3 is most importantly fruit and vegetables are the main food in a nutritious diet. The supporting detail is, apart from supporting our energy supply, fruits and vegetables can also heal and protect the body. The benefit of eating fruit every day can help maintain intestinal health, prevent constipation and the other digestive problems. The habit of eating a high intake of fiber can also reduce the risk of colon cancer. The supporting detail to explain about fruit and vegetable are the main nutritious food and help maintain a healthy body from various diseases. Concluding sentences in this paragraph is, therefore, by consuming fruits and vegetables, you will get a lot of benefit for the body contained in it. Concluding sentence leave the reader with the most important idea to think about. Concluding sentences are closely related to the topic of sentences. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.